90, 890, page number 890. Yeah, page number 890. Okay, so we do not in the classless addressing. What exactly the thing will be there? This network ID and the host ID part is not actually fixed. Okay, so you can means according to the requirement of your network, you can put your network ID, how much amount, how many number of bits will be the network ID and how many number of host you will have, that you can fix it. Okay, page number 590. You might have gone to the another page, I think. 590.
But I'm 890.
No, no, 590. Go over there, 590. Okay. So in the classless addressing, you could have this flexibility in how many in your network ID and host ID, how many bits will be there. Usually, this network ID depends on your how much actually host, for how many hosts you have, and according to that you can put the host ID part, and you can go for your host ID representation according to that. Let's say for example, if you are going for the let's say for example, you have uh, 16, let's say 16 host you need to connect into the network. So how many bits are required to represent the 16 host? Any one of you tell me. 16 hosts are there. How many bits are required?
2 to the power 4, 4 bits.
2 to the power 4, so 4 bits are required, correct? So if it is a 4 bits actually you're keeping for your network, your host, then how many bits for network? Definitely that is 28. 32 minus 4, 28, correct? So how we'll be representing? We'll be representing by a slash notation, and this is called this notation, this method of representation is called your classless interdomain. Okay, classless interdomain routing notation. Okay, slash notation will be there. Okay, and by which you will be able to identify that how many number of bits actually in your network ID part. Okay, we write the how many bits in the network ID, so you can easily identify that how many bits actually for host ID part. Okay, uh, I think you have gone to the different page. This is 590 in the uh, book page number. I have basically told you in the uh, PDF page number, right? So if you are going for the book page number, then 554, not this one. 554, 554. This is a different page actually you have opened. Book page number 554, chapter number 19, book page number 554. Bit earlier. Okay. Five five four, correct. This one. Okay. Now we will discuss about the mask. What is mask? Mask over here in the network, in your network address, the mask means how many means. Let's say for example, for this, I'm just giving the example for class A. Means in the network ID part, you're keeping all these are 1, and your host part you're all keeping 0. So this is actually the mask. So default mask for class A, as you know, the class A is basically 8 bits your network ID, and the remaining 24 your 24 bits are your host ID. So all these are remaining part, this last 24 bits are 0 and the first 8 bits are 1. So it's basically the mask for the compute for the means. We will understand that how actually this mask will help you to figure out easily the address, your starting address, your last starting address, last address, and also the number of actually number of hosts actually in this particular network. So this for class A is this is the mask, and the class B is this. First 16 bits are actually 1, and the remaining 16 bits, last 16 bits is actually 0. Why? Because in the class B you have the 16 bit actually network ID part, and the last 16 bit is your host ID part. In the class C you have the 24 bits are actually your network ID part, and the last 8 bits are your host ID part. Okay, so in that, this is the default mask in binary, and you can also convert it into the decimal. You'll be getting 255 dot 0 for class A. Class B will the 255 dot 255 dot 0, and the class C it would be 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 0. This will be your dotted decimal representation of the default mask for the class C. Now once actually you have this, okay, this in the classless interdomain we'll be writing /8. Okay, /8 means your you have this means not slash, and means /8. You might have got that this in the book it's written 18. That's not a correct, it would be /8. How many bits in the network ID in class A? 8, so that's why /8. In class B, how many bits in the network? 16, so /16. And class C, you have the 24 bits for the network ID, so /24. Okay, but in classless interdomain, so if I'm basically not going for a classful, if I'm going for a classless, it could have any number. It could have any number. So if I ask you, you have the 500 machine that to be connected into the network and should have IP addresses individually for everyone, then how many in classless interdomain it would be what question mark, how many bits will be in the network ID part? Anyone can calculate? 500. You have the total 500 machine to be connected into the network. 500. I'm just writing 500 system. Okay, 500 system to be connected into the network. How many bits are required for your network ID? And what would be your mask in binary and dotted decimal both?
So classless na classful?
It's classless.
না ক্লাসলেস নিয়ে বলবো না ক্লাসফুল নিয়ে বলবো?
ক্লাসলেস দিয়েই বলবে।
আচ্ছা,
মানে সিআইডিআর নোটেশনে যেমন ভাবে স্ল্যাশ দিয়ে লেখে ওইটা বলো, আর বাইনারি ফরম্যাটে বলো, and just first tell the binary in binary format your mask and also the dotted decimal mask. Okay, all these three things you need to calculate. You have the 500 machine.
Sir, 2 to the power 9.
How it would be 2 to the power 9? Explain
স্যার
it.
ওই সাবনেট গুলো নিয়ে নেবো তো, মানে 1 মিনিট।
একটা একটা করে মানে এক্সপ্লেন করে লিখে দাও একটুখানি শুভেন্দু। If you have written that particular thing 9/9, okay, then explain it why/9. Everyone, please write with Rajrupa, can you go for attendance? Means you have the attendance sheet so
Sir,
that I
আমি
can
নিয়ে
call the
নিচ্ছি।
roll number.
আমি নিয়ে নিচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা তুমি এসে গেছো? আচ্ছা
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা okay. So I'll be calling the name or roll number. Please response one after another. Wait. One more thing, I should tell everyone should have the roll number at the end of your name when you are joining. Okay, at least 4 digit. Okay, otherwise I couldn't identify as a student in the classroom, and it would not be able. I will not be able to give you attendance. This is the first day I'm just telling. Okay, because that has to be implemented in every batch. Already in other batch it has been told, and today is the last day when actually I have joined in that way. But make sure you should have the roll number, last 4 digit of your roll number along with over there with your name. Okay. So I'm calling one after another. Aviraj Kaur Purokayesto. Aviraj Kaur Purokayesto. Aviraj absent. Absent. Aditi De. Aditi De. Absent.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বল।
স্যার বলছি যে আপনার কাছে কি লিস্টটা নেই, রোল নাম্বার ওয়াইজ লিস্টটা আপনার কাছে নেই না?
একটু লিংকটা পাঠাও, আমি ওখান থেকে বলি তাহলে।
হ্যাঁ
অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্যাট
একটু হোল্ড করুন, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ একটু লিংকটা পাঠাও, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়ে দাও। আর সবাই জয়েন করার সময় কিন্তু আমি যেটা বললাম, last 4 digit of your roll number is very very important once you are joining. I've told in the other batch also. Okay, batch P I've already told. In your batch you make sure everyone should have the last 4 digit with your name when you are joining, otherwise I couldn't recognize you. Okay, Amajit, have you sent that?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Okay, let me check. Just yeah, got it. Yeah, last day attendance. You should have a date, right? Instead of CDE like this, you should have a date over there. Tamajit, you should have a date.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওটা জাস্ট ডেট গুলো অ্যাড করা হয়নি, আমি ডেট গুলো অ্যাড করে দেবো, কলামস করে ডেট গুলো অ্যাড করে দেবো।
Yeah. Put the attendance over there. I'm just calling the roll number one after another. I'm starting from the very beginning. Roll number 1. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 3. Absent. Roll number 4.
Present, sir.
Roll number 5, 6, 7, roll number 8, roll number 9, roll number 10, 11,
Present, sir.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Present, sir.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 22 present. 22 present. Okay, nice.
Sir, I am 16. I am present. I just leave the meeting for it.
Okay, 16, please mark is present. 22, 23,
Present, sir.
23 present. 24, 25, 26,
Present, sir.
27, 27. Aviraj Kar Purokayesto. Aviraj, are you there? 26 is present. 27 is not present. 28, 29.
Present, sir.
Okay, 30. Tomanjit, you are present. On image, 31. 31 is not present. 32, Akash Banerjee. 32, 33,
Yes, sir.
34,
Yes, sir.
35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
Present, sir.
44, 45, 46.
Excuse me, sir. I am
Yeah.
37. I was having network issues, so I couldn't say.
Please attend, be
Yes,
attentive
me also.
and in your correct time you just give your attendance. Otherwise, attendance will not be counted later. I'm just telling you. Everyone.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
37
Me
is
also, I
done.
was 1008 also. I was actually not having my headphones, so I couldn't speak up. So for that also,
Get prepare and attend the class.
sorry, sir.
What's your roll number?
So 1008.
You're telling so loud.
So I was
Okay,
actually waiting
no
for
problem,
the
no
end.
problem. Okay, problem. Up to what we have done, up to 46, right? Siddharth Mundal. No, I have basically told 41.
হ্যাঁ স্যার 46
41.
থেকেই হবে 46 থেকে হবে
40, 41, 42 দেখেছি।
হ্যাঁ 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 44 ডাকলেন 45 ডাকলেন
আচ্ছা, হৃদয়া হয়ে গেল। 46 সিদ্ধার্থ মন্ডল, 47 ঐশিকা ঘোষ, 48 ঋষভ ঘোষ, 49 রামেশ্বর ব্যানার্জি।
Present, sir.
Huh?
Sir, Rameshwar Banerjee present, sir.
49 present. 50 Devosmita. 50.
Present, sir.
Okay. 51 Shayan Nondi. 52. 53. 55, 56, 57.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
55 present.
55 present.
55 present, sir.
Orko Bishya Shah present. 56, 57, 50, 57
Yes, sir.
Rajni Patko. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 58
Present,
Sudipta
sir.
Roy.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay. 58 is present. 59 Rashid Malik, 60, 62, 63, Azizur Rahman.
Present, sir.
64, Ritom Sarkar.
Present, sir.
Present. 55, 55 বলছি। 65, 65 only.
Yes, sir. 1062. I was present.
Sumit Bose. আচ্ছা, 67,
Sir, 1062.
67 present. 68, Tomagna.
Present,
68
sir.
present. Okay, Tomagna present. 70, Devdeep. Devdeep is absent. 71, Shukollan. 71 absent. 72, Niladri Sen.
Present, sir.
Present. 73, Dishani. Okay. 73 is absent. 74,
Present,
Sayandri.
sir. Sir, present, sir.
74 present. 75, Ria.
Present, sir.
Present. 76, Sivendu.
Present, sir.
77, 78, Sahil.
Present, sir.
79, Sachin.
Present, sir.
80, Jasmeet. Present. Not present. Jasmeet is absent. 81, Nilanjit. Absent. 82, Saran.
Present, sir.
83, Ashutosh.
Present, sir.
84, okay, Ashutosh is present. 84,
83 present.
Anupurva.
Yes, sir. Present. 84
83,
present.
84 and 83 both are present. 85, Rajanandini. 86, Aritra. Not present. 88, Shouhadro.
Present, sir.
89, Akash Bishwas.
Present, sir.
86 present.
86, Aritra acho? Acha.
Have, sir.
Okay. 86 is present. 90, Pratyusha.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
90, Shweta.
Sir, 91 Shweta.
No, 90 is Pratyusha. Present. 91
Yes,
present.
Yes, sir.
92,
Present, sir.
Priyam Datta. Okay. 93, Devargho. Devargho is not present. 93 is absent. 95, Shomrita Das. Absent. 96, Srijita.
Present, sir.
98, Anurag.
Present, sir. 97.
97, 98, Shrutham.
Present, sir.
98 of present. 99, Oyon Mundal, absent. 100, absent. 101, Devojyoti
Present, sir.
Kundu, present. 102, Sagnik, absent. 215, Nilanjan Das.
Yes, sir, present.
240, Sunny, absent. Okay, I think all are done.
Sir, 1041. Tugin, sir. Present. 1062, sir. I was present.
One after another. When once actually all of you will be telling, then I will not be recognizing any one of you.
Sir, 41.
41.
Yes.
Number 41. Name?
Sir,
Tugin Aldas, sir.
কোথায় ছিলে তুমি?
Sir, join করতে
আমি
late
কল
হয়ে
করেছি
গেছিল।
অনেকবার। I have called you many times. You have joined but you haven't given attendance.
And 62, sir. 62.
তুমি এটার লাস্ট ডেট, ঠিক আছে? এর পরে কিন্তু অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স আর দেবো না। 41 62 কে ওর নাম্বার কি?
Sir, 31.
1062.
1062. 62.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Aniket.
কোথায় ছিল? আমি অনেকবার ডেকেছি।
Yes, sir.
স্যার আপনি
lost my network
62টা মিস করে গেছিলেন।
at that time.
62 দিয়ে দাও।
দিয়ে দিয়েছি।
আর কেউ আছো এরকম?
Sir, 31. 1031.
Sir, 1007 Aditi De.
31. What's your name?
Onimes Banerjee.
আমি অনেক আগে দেখেছি। You haven't given the attendance.
Sir, Aditi De
আমি
1007.
তমজিৎ এই অনিমেষ ব্যানার্জি মার্ক করে রাখো। আমি পরের দিন অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সের সময় চেক করব। আর কত রোল নাম্বার বললে?
Sir, 1007 Aditi De.
অদিতি তোমাকেও আমি অনেকবার ডেকেছি। অদিতির নাম মার্ক করো। নেক্সট ডেতে আমি সবাইকে চেক করব। আর কেউ আছে এরকম? ক্লাস শুরুর টাইম যখন টাইম বলা হয় তাই এই টাইমের মধ্যে জয়েন করবে। আর যদি কিছু প্রবলেম থাকে একটু বলবে, কিন্তু এত পরে বলবে না। অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দেওয়ার সময় অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়েই 15 মিনিট চলে যাবে, ক্লাসটা বাই কিছু হবে না। ওকে, we have done with our attendance. Now your answer regarding this question. Many of you have answered, I think. Yes, many of you have done. I'm going for the explanation